Hey there! Before we dive into these transformative tips, if you find any of them useful, consider giving us a thumbs up, subscribing, sharing your thoughts in the comments, and ringing that notification bell. Let's keep the magic going together. Tip number 1, declutter one area at a time. Start with a small area, perhaps a drawer or a corner of a room. By focusing on one spot at a time, the task of decluttering becomes less overwhelming, and you'll feel a sense of accomplishment that can motivate you to tackle the next area. Tip number 2, introduce greenery. Plants can breathe life into a space, whether it's a potted plant, a succulent, or fresh flowers on the table. They not only enhance the visual appeal of a room, but can also help purify the air. Tip number 3, swap out throw pillows. A simple change in color or pattern can refresh your living room instantly. Seasonally rotating your throw pillows can give your space a mini makeover multiple times a year without breaking the bank. Tip number 4, use mirrors strategically. Mirrors can make a room appear larger and brighter. By placing them opposite light sources, you can amplify the natural light in the room, creating an illusion of spaciousness. Tip number 5, adopt a one in, one out rule. To prevent clutter from piling up, adopt a rule where for every new item you bring into your home, one old item must go. This helps maintain a balance and ensures that your spaces remain tidy. Tip number 6, personalize with wall art. Empty walls can sometimes make a room feel unfinished. Adding some personal touches with wall art, be it family photos, paintings, or a unique print, can make your home truly feel like yours. Tip number 7, refresh scent with essential oils. Aromas play a huge role in setting the mood. Consider diffusing essential oils like lavender for relaxation or citrus for an energizing atmosphere. It's an effortless change that can make a significant difference. Tip number 8, rearrange furniture. Simply shifting the furniture around can give your room a brand new look. It might also help in improving the flow and functionality of your space. Tip number 9, use multifunctional furniture. Invest in pieces that offer more than one function. Ottomans with storage or sofa beds can save space while providing extra utility, making your rooms more versatile. Tip number 10, introduce a new rug. A new rug can anchor a room and define spaces, especially in open floor plans. With countless patterns, colors, and materials available, you can easily find one to match your style. Tip number 11, commit to 10-minute daily tidying. Dedicate just 10 minutes a day to tidying up. By making it a habit, you'll keep messes at bay and maintain a consistently clean and organized home. Tip number 12, update door handles and knobs. Minor hardware updates in your home, like changing old door handles or cabinet knobs, can bring a refreshed, modern look without the need for major renovation. Alright, there you have it. 12 tiny changes that can transform your home. If you found value in this video, please don't forget to leave us a like, subscribe, and let's continue the conversation in the comments below. And hey, if you want to be the first to get our tips, don't hesitate to ring that bell. Here's to making our homes better, one tiny change at a time.